In today's video, I'm going to teach you Midjourney AI Digital Backdrop Tutorial. We'll start by finding Midjourney through a quick search, craft a clear prompt to generate a beautiful backdrop, and then bring that image into Canva to place characters in front of it for a polished final look. Open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney. From the results, click the official Midjourney website. Make sure you're on the real site by checking the URL before you proceed. Once you're in, navigate to the area where you can enter a text prompt. The goal here is to give Midjourney a concise but descriptive idea of the backdrop you want, so it knows what to create. Here's a prompt you can use as a strong starting point. Big hanging floral halo ring, backdrop, detailed real flowers, bright background with light beige color palette, bright and friendly lighting. R23 Bas Q2 V51. This line describes a large floral ring as the centerpiece, asks for realistic flower detail, and sets a bright, airy mood with a light beige palette and friendly lighting. The parameters at the end are important. The tag R23 sets the aspect ratio to a tall portrait, which is great for vertical backdrops. The tag Q2 requests higher rendering quality, which can help with finer details. And V5.1 selects a specific model version for consistent styling. If you want a slightly different vibe, tweak adjectives like bright, friendly, or the color palette, but keep the subject and aspect ratio consistent for best results. Click Submit to generate the image. Give it a moment to render. When it's done, you'll have a clean digital backdrop built around that floral halo, ready to use in design or photography composites. Now go to Canva. Create a new design that matches the 2:3 aspect ratio to avoid cropping. Place your generated image as the background so it fills the canvas cleanly. With the backdrop in place, add your characters. You can bring in photos or illustrations and position them in front of the floral ring. If you're using photos, remove their background so they sit naturally within the scene. Scale characters proportionally so they match the perspective, and nudge them until their feet or base align with the ground plane suggested by the image. To blend everything, lightly adjust brightness and contrast, and add a subtle shadow or blur beneath the character for depth. A gentle, warm filter can also help match the beige lighting. That's it. You searched for Midjourney, crafted a clear prompt, generated the backdrop, and finished the scene in Canva by adding characters. Save your design, and you're ready to share or print.